This is Perast. So we just passed by Kotor, a little less crowded down here. Gonna head out with the boat to see one of the unique sites in the country. So sun came out, perfect timing. Let's try to enjoy it.
And here we have our rental car. 50 euro per day, so it's good. So let's head down.
Wow.
So beautiful. Looks unreal.
It reminds me more of Italy, like Lake Como or Garda or something. The colors.
But I think this is even beautiful than that.
You think it's better in Italy?
Really?
Did someone give you money?
The Lake Como.
But the mountains here are quite dramatic. It's like both green and some of them grayish, but the color really comes out now today with the sun. Let's see on the boat. I think it's going to be even better.
Yeah, let's see.
Boat tour we're going to take is going to take us out to the Lady of the Rock, and the myth is that it was these local fishermen who every day when they went out with the boat they drop a stone. Throughout the centuries basically this became an island, so I don't know if that's true or if it's a myth, but we're going to head out there. It's an artificial island with a church on it.
So we park for free and then to get tickets to this boat
Yeah, we
tour.
might have been scammed on the free parking. It was free parking if you take the boat tour, so it's not really free, but the gentleman was nice enough, so hopefully the boat will arrive here.
But it was small road, so it was kind of hard to find a parking anyway, so we took the easy way
I don't
out
think
there.
there is any official parking spaces here, and it's still season, right? So no, it's fine. But yeah, as you see here, the color here, it's amazing of the water. I don't know, it's just because of the weather. I feel like having a swim.
As you can see, we are back in the car and driving to Kotor. The view here is unbelievable. You have the mountains around us and then you have the water here next to us, as you can see. It's really beautiful. What do you think about the first place?
Blew my mind. Amazing. That we haven't heard about it before. It was astonishing. Felt a bit like Croatia, but with a little bit less people. We had a lunch just by the water, and the waves were kind of like hitting up and making our feet wet. And the service was great as well. The village blew my mind. It was
so beautiful.
So beautiful, so picturesque, and there was probably 3 weddings.
Super beautiful. We took the boat tour as well. Could probably pick a bigger, nicer boat, but it wasn't that long drive, so it was fine. But it was beautiful there as well, especially when all the wedding was going on and the bride with a nice dress and the bridesmaids is so colorful. So really nice. I really recommend this place. So yeah, next up is
Kotor.
Between Perast and
Kotor.
you have a lot of mussel and oyster places which look really nice. So you can just stop and take some fresh oysters. Unfortunately, we are a little bit too full from the lunch, so we're not going to do it, but that's a big recommendation to do that. weather is coming at us now, so we were lucky that we got some hours of nice sun. So now we're at the Kotor Old Town. We've been in so many old town the last couple of days, but it's really beautiful. Small streets, a lot of nice ice cream places. We had one nice ice cream there. You can also go and do a hike up to the fortress. Unfortunately, we don't really have the time now, but it should be really nice in the morning to just go up, take a hike, and then have some breakfast when you come down.
Yeah, we have to come back and do that another time when we have a little bit more
time.
Yeah, more free time. Compared to Dubrovnik, I think similar size, a lot bigger than we thought. the old town.
Yeah, much bigger than we thought. But yeah, cozy streets. But I think I like the other place, Perast, better than I did here.
Less people over there.
Exactly, you can see it's much more tourist here. More tourists here than actually in Budva.
We were wondering where all the tourists were in Montenegro, and they're all here
We found
with
them.
the cruise ships. Okay.
Exactly, but yeah, you should go here, it's nice. So tight. Feel like a one-way road.